To navigate to the Finances section in CustodyKeep, begin at your dashboard, scroll to the navigation menu and hover over Finances, then click to open. This page is like your personal finance tracker, tailored specifically for managing and keeping an eye on various expenses related to your custody case. In this section, you can log each expense with details like the date, the nature of the expense, category, any notes for context, the amount, and tags for easy sorting. There's also a handy feature to attach receipts or invoices for each expense, keeping everything transparent and accountable. Adding a new expense is straightforward. Just click the New button and a template slides out, inviting you to input your latest expense. Let's say you're adding a payment for football on January 9th under the Activities category. You might note it as New Season Phase for Youth Football with an amount of $265. Tag it under Sports to keep things organized. If there's a receipt or invoice, you can attach it right there. What's great about this section is its flexibility and ease of use. If you need to make any changes or add more details, just click back into the edit mode. And if you ever need to remove an entry, like a football expense, it's as simple as clicking on it and hitting delete. This way, you have a clear, organized record of all your custody-related financial transactions right at your fingertips.